am Gupta, and today we are going to do a Rubik's Cube challenge.
So, there will be 5 rounds, and the person who loses
Will say to the other person, "You are the god of the cube,
God.
and I am a loser in front of you." And if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And please subscribe to our channels so that we stay motivated and we bring up good content for you.
Yeah.
So without any delay, let's get started. So let's scramble the cube. So let's scramble it up. I'm not seeing it at all. Tanish, you also don't see the scramble. I'm not seeing it. Scramble it.
Yeah. I'm only seeing to the Zoom recording video. Oh, the red book.
Scramble it more, bro.
I'm not seeing it, man.
Yeah, bro.
It's going to be nice, man.
Yeah, you are gonna lose, Tanni.
You will lose, man, and you will say to me.
You will say to me, God of cubes, bro. I'm really excited for that.
Not say you. You will say me, man.
Let's see.
Okay, let's see. How many times we will scramble it now?
Let's do it. Let's finish the scrambling right now. So let's admire the cube first. Oh, bullshit. Okay. So let's switch on our timers.
Yeah.
Clock. Oh, bullshit. Tanni.
What?
Look like have you seen my password of my phone? Like I was typing it.
I didn't saw it, man.
You did.
I really wanted to see the password. Oh man, I lost it.
Users, if you have seen it, you can't do anything about it because this is my phone and you can't steal it. Okay, so
Yeah, you can also not see, man. Yeah.
Okay, so 3,
So,
2, 1.
wait.
Okay.
Wait. I will say 3, 2, 1, start. You will say me God, man. I'm doing it very fast.
I'm ready for you saying it to me.
I'm really excited who will win.
Same, bro.
Yeah, what should we say? Let's make it fast, yeah.
Okay, so this
Oh, it's gonna tough. It is.
Oh.
Tough. Yeah, it's very tough.
I don't think so. Solving a Rubik's Cube is not tough at all.
No, I'm saying that the scramble is very tough.
Oh.
It takes time.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh shit.
oh, I got shuffled and did a wrong step.
Oh
I'm doing it again.
yeah, it is good for me.
No, I will win. I will not say you. I will win.
No, you will never.
Please. I can't say my friend this. He will make fun of me, man.
I will share this video with as many people as I can, bro.
No. Share. I will win this, man.
Bro, I solved it in 1 minute and 28 seconds. Boy.
So, you are cheating, man.
No, bro. I scrambled it in front of you. I win the first round.
I did on 140.
Bro, so I won the first round. Hey. Yes.
No.
Yay.
But if I will lose, I will not. What?
It is not loss, it is lose.
I will be happy. happy that my friend won.
And you will be happy saying me the god of cubes, right?
Oh man.
You are losing, bro. You are making an excuse.
So let's move to the second round.
So first
I
round,
think we should scramble, bro.
yeah. No, not the same scramble, bro. I'm not seeing my scramble, so I'm just scrambling it.
Okay. I'm just seeing the video of yours on the Zoom meeting. I'm seeing the scrambling.
I'm scrambling it, bro. I can't see a thing that I'm doing.
Let's stop the scrambling. I think it will be scrambled.
Oh shit, I think that I've like twisted one piece.
So what to do?
I don't know. Let's solve
And
it.
scramble.
But like if you see me in between twisting a piece, so don't worry because like I think that I have twisted a piece right now. Okay?
I know in the task it will appear that you have mistakes.
Yeah. I have been in this situation.
Let's stop scrambling it. Let's start making it. Let me on the stop wall.
So let me see my scramble first. Okay. Okay,
This
so I
is
can
very
do.
tough.
Yeah, it is tough.
So 1,
2, 3.
1 thing. Start.
Okay, bro.
This round I will win. Please God, please save me. I will not say. No. You're a. I will not.
Yay! I'm gonna win. Bro, do you know I learned tricks for this video today? Okay?
I am not. I'm not prepared only.
Bro, you knew that we are gonna have a video today. So why didn't you prepare yourself, bro?
I didn't thought about it. What to do?
What you do? Just cry, bro. Because you are going to say me the god of cubes, bro.
No, I not saying it.
You will have to, bro.
I'm saying it now only. Happy?
No.
Why?
You can't say it right now, bro.
Oh, I have mistake. What to do? Saion,
Yeah.
I have mistake. I have mistaked it. It will not make. I have twisted 2-3 pieces. It's not making only.
Okay. So you can twist 2-3 pieces yourself.
It's got shuffled, man.
So it is your problem.
I think we have to do the second round restart. I have made the cube, man.
So look, I had twisted one piece so by mistake. So I'm now twisting it once again. Okay.
Restart the cube because you have also twisted one and I also got shuffled too.
Bro, you are a cheater, man. I was going good.
No, man, I did wrong.
Okay, so like let's assume that we have completed only one round. Okay, so we are on the second round.
Your point is 1 and my point is 0.
Yeah. Second round. Let's scramble it for the second round.
Yeah. Oh, don't start this up.
It is scramble, bro. I'm not seeing my scramble, bro. So don't suspect.
I'm not suspecting on you. Let's stop it. Stop.
Okay. Okay. So let me see my scramble, bro. Let me see my scramble. Okay, good one. Good one. 3, 2.
One second.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, start. This is really gonna be tough, man.
This is cool, man.
Oh, this means that your scramble is easy.
No, bro.
I think
I'm saying I'm having fun. Cool means having fun, bro.
I know, but I think that your scramble is easy.
No, bro. Not at all.
I don't think so. Your one is tough.
Not at all, bro. Everything is difficult in life.
I know. And if we will not succeed in our life, so and if we will not work hard also, so no success will come.
Just don't give me your something called bhashan, Tanish Gupta.
No man, I'm not doing it. I'm only just doing it genuinely.
Because I'm not interested in a bhashan. I just want to make you lose. You are going to lose.
Man, I'm going.
You will lose from 3-0, bro. See it.
I know, bro. I know you are a master of you. But the god of you, I'm saying it now.
No, you don't need to. Oh shit! I did a mistake. I have to solve it.
Oh, nice, nice, nice. Nice, I will win it, guys. Guys. I will win it. Guys, I will win it. Guys.
Done! Yes! Yeah! Yes!
No, yes, guys. Oh, that, I this just is 145.
144!
I am so close.
144 and 145! So close, man!
I think we should both get a point.
No, bro! I won this round by 1 second! Yes!
Yeah, I won 144 and 140.
Yeah!
You said it to confuse me, na?
What?
You said to confuse me, na?
No, really, I did a mistake. Like, I really did a mistake in between, bro.
You only wait for only man 10 seconds. I tie.
Like, I won from 1 second. Bullshit!
No, it was 144.79 and mine was 1.50.00.
1.50.
Sorry, I got confused. 1.45.00.
So, I won from points. Milliseconds. I won from milliseconds, bro.
What, man?
Let's scramble it.
What's happening?
2-0. 2-0, bro.
I will lose, man. You only need 1 point only.
Tanni, though I'm against you, I will suggest you one thing. Like you should not say like this. You are also capable. If you will try your hard, like you will try your best. Like if you give your
Don't
best.
give me passion.
Okay, so I was just saying it to encourage you.
Let's stop it. Stop.
Okay.
Let's finish now.
Okay. Let's do it.
I will.
Okay. So it is all.
One thing. Let's.
Oh, your orange side is bit salt. And your green is also salt, man. You're a bit cheater.
This is. I think
Your
you should come at my.
your blue tea was salt. Bullshit.
I think you should come at my home. My gates are open for you for 24 hours. I'm saying.
I will come in midnight, bro. I will come in midnight.
Oh, come at 3 o'clock. Anytime you shoot.
I will come at 4, bro. 4.
Anytime you like.
Okay.
Go.
Okay. Okay. 3, 2.
Wait. Yes. 1,
2, 3, go!
1 second, I said.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go. Oh, I will win this ball. I should see. I know that I will lose today. I said you.
Bro, you should have the confidence in
I'm
yourself.
trying to know, but You are learning from many times.
No, bro. I just started 6 days ago.
I just learned the full cube 1 day ago.
1 day ago? You solved it in front of me 3 days ago, bro. I remember.
I was saying lies to you on that day.
No, but you showed me how to solve it, bro.
But you were continuously saying me that.
But you showed me. You showed me how to solve it.
Pieces. I only knew how to solve the edges only. I twisted the pieces for you only.
Cheater?
What to do? Yeah, you were like, what to say now? You will win this round, I'm saying, Saion.
Shut up! I am concentrating.
No, I'm not. I'm not making you concentrate on it.
Let me concentrate.
I will lose. I'm saying it now only. My cube is bit twisted. I will not win. I'm saying it. My cube is not.
My cube is also not so expensive, bro.
I'm saying that I will lose this round because I got chef and did so many rounds there. I will lose. I'm saying it now. Come on, please let me win this round. Please, bro.
Shit! A mistake!
I will lose. I'm saying it now. Oh.
Two minutes 27.
Yeah, I am going to lose him.
Not such a great timing.
I make it. Stop.
How much?
I made it in 240.
227. Okay, let's wait. Do you want this video to be longer? If yes,
Yeah.
okay, so we will have 10 rounds now.
I think we should have a countdown, man.
No, bro, we'll have 10 rounds now. 10 rounds.
This should be 10. Content.
Yeah, so we will this will be, we have exceeded the time. This will be a 10 rounds match. Okay, are you agreeing? It is your idea. It is your idea, Tanni. So if you agree, then okay. What?
I think there should be a timer.
No, this is a timer, bro. This is a stopwatch.
I am saying for the countdown, man.
Countdown, bro. We are not so professional. In a countdown, we will do. We are checking our times and comparing our times, bro.
Okay.
1 minute, let me scramble. So, do you want 10 rounds? How many rounds do you want, Tanni?
So let's end. Okay, so I want 10 rounds.
Okay, 10 rounds. 3 rounds are done. 3 points are mine. 0 points are Tanni's.
I will say to you, and yeah, it will be 10-0.
10-0! It is a better feeling than 5-0.
You're the master of the cube, man.
No, bro. Till let know.
Let's start.
Let me scramble, bro. Look, is this fair enough?
I'll start first only.
But I'm saying let me scramble. Okay, let me see the cube now. Okay, so this is good and this is not good. Okay, so let me open my phone. Are you seeing the password?
Oh, the fingerprint. I can't open it.
G
So let's
3.
do one.
Once again.
3.
2.
1, go. Oh, I got confused.
In starting only?
Oh, I will take so time.
So time?
No, I will take some time to solve it. I took a wrong step. Oh, what to do? Oh, I'm going out of time. I will win this round. Please, God, let me win.
No, you will never.
I know you are thinking that the point will be 10-0. You're sure, and I'm also saying that it will be 10-0.
But you should have confidence in yourself. If you have confidence in yourself, then you will be able to win.
I'm doing it. I am trying so much. I will never do it. I will win.
Like, it is 1 minute 3 seconds and I have only done the second layer till now.
Nice. I'm not done that till now. You're lucky, bro, that you are doing competition with me and you will win.
It is not like that. I am doing it for my knowledge and my skills, testing my skills.
Yeah. Saion, I want to say you something.
What?
Let's stop the stopwatch.
No. I am solving.
Stop it.
No. No, I am not.
Stop.
No.
Stopwatch.
No, I will not.
What?
My solving is going on. This is the disrespect
I'm
of
saying you something.
cubing. This is the disrespect of cubing, bro.
Made my cube and I was just to do one piece and the piece was twisted.
So you can twist it.
And so I forgot it.
What?
Thought that it will break because
Okay, let's leave it right now. Let's leave this round. It is 3-0 going on. This was not such a good timer and this does not matter also because I was not serious about it. 3-0 is going on.
oh. 1 second, let me solve my cube first. You talk to guys.
Yeah. So guys, what do you think? Comment down below on right now. Comment down below right now. What do you
What's the best team?
What do you think? What do you think about it? Will I win or Tanish? That is an obvious answer. I know you will write Saion, Gupta, right? Rest? Yeah?
No. They are with me.
No.
Not with you.
It's 10:30.
The time is 10:30.
So?
Oh. I made the cube. Oh.
Okay. So
Let's scramble it.
the score is 3-0. I think we should not make this so long of 10 points. Let's do it for you 6 points. You have to win 3 rounds consecutive so that you make a tie. Okay, so you have for a tie you have to win 3 consecutive rounds. Or if you lose one of the rounds in between only, you will say me the god of cubes and you will do like this in front of me, bro.
No.
Yes, and I will share this video with all my friends.
Oh.
Okay, so it is scrambled enough.
Final this video only on the YouTube.
What?
Yeah.
What?
I will not viral this video on the YouTube only.
What? But I will add this in my channel, bro. I will add this in my channel, bro. I will. So 3,
Okay.
2.
1 second. 1 second. 3, 2, 1, go. I will. No. I will win. I will win. I will win. I know I will win. I'm a nice guy. I will win. I will win this round. I'm saying you now. Now
Let's see.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Guys, comment down and tell me what's the best scene in this video you liked it.
what a
Yeah,
faltu
Saion?
comment. What a faltu comment.
No, it's not a faltu comment. Don't disrespect them.
I'm not disrespecting them. I'm saying you. I'm disrespecting you. You are asking for a faltu
No
comment.
way. No way. Let us also know what's the best scene.
Okay, let's see what the users think. If
Yeah.
you are eager to know,
Oh. Oh.
I'm
I'm
on the
really
yellow
scared.
cross. Where are you?
I am on the second layer. You can make slowly.
Yeah, I am making slowly.
Nice. Nice slowly.
I am really making slowly.
What to do?
This is my slowest speed, one of my slowest speed.
Oh, really?
Done.
Done.
So stop it, the timer! Stop the timer!
It's the same time. I said
Yeah,
it.
yeah. I knew it was 1 minute 52 seconds. I saw it. I saw it in your timer. It was 1 minute 52 seconds, and I have 1 minute 53 seconds. I have 1 minute. So you win this round, bro. 3-1. You win this round.
Oh,
High five, bro. High five.
high five. Online high five, Saion.
Online high five.
Let me do the reaction.
Same, bro. High five.
Oh, top luck for the next round. So let's begin with the second one.
Fifth round. Fifth. So the score is 3-1. Will you tie it? Will you tie it?
I will.
If you tie it, there will be a super over like cricket. Super over means super solve.
Yeah.
But if I win this round, then you will say me the god. You will say me the god.
No, no. Don't think about it.
I am. This. I'm thinking about it right now, but this is soon going to be a reality, bro. Okay, so I've scrambled it enough.
Yeah.
Okay, three,
One thing.
three,
Let me,
three.
let me see the cube, Saion. Why are you so hyper? 3, 2, 1, start.
Oh shit! Oh shit! I have a bad start.
Okay, then start.
Bro, no, stop. I didn't
Okay,
reset my time. I didn't reset my time.
Oh, Saion. So
Sorry, I'm scrambling it. You also scramble it?
I was rambling just. You stopped me.
Bro, like, I didn't reset my time. Sorry, users.
Really? I was in so much speed. Saion.
So what, bro? Three,
We scrambled.
2, 1, go.
One, go. It happens with me also. Don't worry.
Yeah, I'm not worrying. I'm not frightened of you.
I'm also not frightened of you. I was just saying.
I don't have any worries. Because I'm gonna win this round.
No. I will win.
Oh shit, a mistake.
Thank you for doing mistake, man. Thank you.
Welcome, bro.
I also mistake. No.
Thank you, bro.
What's happening? No. What's happening? I don't know.
Okay, so correct. This is not good. What?
Done, bro.
What? What the heck? Huh? I was on the cross. I was on the cross. What the heck?
0.77.
Oh, what the heck?
So
3-2.
I won this round.
Last round. Last round. Oh.
Please God help me.
Scramble it.
God cannot help you.
Bullshit, man. How did you solve it in 1 minute 3 seconds?
As you know, bro, I'm a Christian man.
Like, you are a game changer, bro.
We are playing cricket, I think. You're saying like that.
No, like, I'm feeling that you're a game changer if you win this. Okay, so this is scrambled enough for me.
One second. Let me on my stopwatch. I don't have a key. So
3.
1, 2, sorry, 3, 2, 1, start. I will win the song.
No, you will not.
I didn't know it. No.
You
no,
said
please,
before
God,
also
please.
to confuse me. I
No,
think.
I'm not confusing you really, bro. What I can say is,
I want to win.
you, as everyone can see, I'm getting a little confused.
This is the final round, bro. You can't get confused in this.
No, I will win. I pray to God. God will listen me.
Listen me? What is this English, man?
Oh, this is American English. You don't know this English?
Listen me. Wow.
God will listen my prayer.
Bro, I'm still on the second layer.
Oh, I just made the cube.
What? No, I was not stopping it. I thought that my phone was getting off. That's why I did like that. Use it.
Oh, really?
My time is going on, as you can see.
Stop, I made it. See?
What the heck, bro? I am still not made it.
1, 2, 1 point.
Bro, you're not scrambling it properly.
Scrambling.
No, you're not. So
God,
this is
listen my prayer.
a super. This is
You cannot.
now. This is super solve time. This is a game changer. Come on, whoever wins this is the winner.
Yes.
Oh no!
Yes. Let's scramble it.
Now scramble it for 5 minutes. Scramble it for 5 minutes.
Scrambling it. I will win this round. God, please let me win.
Never.
Man. Oh God. I have made 3. Please. God, please listen to my prayer.
Scramble it.
I'm scrambling in front of you. You can see me. And then see, man.
You're seeing it, bro. Don't see it.
In front of you, man. What are you saying?
Okay. Scrambled enough. This is a no, not scrambled enough. Look, my white side is almost done, so not scrambled enough. Scramble it more.
Yes, yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, so scramble now. Scramble now. I think it has scrambled now.
Okay.
So 3,
Oh, yes.
3,
3.
2.
1 second. One
Oh,
second. 1 second. 1 second.
okay.
1 second. Don't be so excited. 2, 3, 2, 1, go.
This is a game changer game.
Oh, I will win. God will listen to me every time. Oh, it really got shuffled, yaar.
I'm really scared, bro.
I will win this time. You scare me.
Bullshit.
Yeah. Don't you think about it? I have increased my confidence level. You only said me.
I said you
Be
to
confident
increase your confidence level, bro. That's why you did.
much and much.
Okay.
Oh God. On which are you on?
I'm on the cross. Yellow cross.
Oh no! 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 No God! No!
Oh my god,
Oh,
this is.
I
Oh
will.
my god. You're saying it for confusing to me. You're confusing me.
Oh no! God, please save me! God, please save me! I'm really scared.
Okay? Oh, so no. Salt! No, not salt. I'm restarting my timer. 3, 2, 1. I was started from there only.
What happened?
Nothing.
Because of you, I shuffled my cube only.
What?
Let's go and restart, man.
What?
You said that. Oh. You said that I shuffled it, so I said I thought that let's restart this round.
Oh,
I
I was about to solve it.
I was in 1 second I will solve that.
Yeah, I was also.
No, I was the winner of this round.
I was.
Because of you, I shuffled it.
Because of you, I've lost.
No, we will restart this. You
Okay,
said that
okay. Restart it.
Yeah.
The drama is on.
No.
Time is 10:44.
No,
Yeah,
I don't.
I'm saying the drama is on. The drama is on.
Oh, I'm really excited. Who will
Okay.
win it?
So 3.
1 second. 1 second, Sam. Oh. Yeah. 1 second. Let me open my timer.
3, 2.
3, 2, 1, go. This is gonna really excited. Oh,
My hands are trembling.
Oh, what I can do?
Literally, I'm not able to solve it. My hands are trembling.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'm really. God, please. Let me win this round, God. Where are you, Saion?
I am on the second layer. I'm solving it.
Oh,
You?
I solved it.
You solved it?
No, I'm on the first lane.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Yes.
I'm making it faster. I'm on the first lane. I didn't thought that. What's happened?
This is not good.
I think you're making slowly because it got shuffled my cube only. I think you made.
step.
I can win it. Stop, 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 stop.
Let's see the timer.
Hey, my 1.24 by 60. I won.
1.3136. No!
Saion, three.
You are the god of cubes. I am a loser in front of you.
Nice.
Look at that, man. Look at that.
Really close. Thank you guys for watching the video and please like and subscribe the video. And
Yes.
please write who played the best. So, thank you
Bye.
for watching.